This is a slime tutorial how to make your slime crunchy. Okay, you pull out your slime. Right? Pull out your slime any way how much you want. Put them together. It has to look like white. It has to look like this, not white. Now you put it on the slime on your hands or anywhere, then squeeze it. Ta-da! Really satisfying. And that's how you do it. Love ya. Also make sure to subscribe.